Hi, Mr. Armstrong. This is my 4.1 redo video. Question 1 asks, explain what monopolistic competition is and its characteristics. Monopolistic competition is a market structure where many firms sell similar but not identical product. Each has a small amount of market power because of product differences. The first characteristic is it has many firms. These firms are small and they have a tiny share of the market. So here I'm drawing a bunch of small firms on the same road in the same market. The second characteristic is different products. This is when firms sell similar but not identical products, like close substitutes, through branding, quality, design, or location. The third characteristic is low barriers to entry and exit. This means that it's easy for new firms to join the market, and firms that lose profit can leave easily. The fifth characteristic is non-price competition. This includes advertising, branding, and quality improvements, and customer loyalty matters. The last characteristic is that they are price makers. This means that they set their own price and can raise it a bit without losing all of their customers. The second question is asking to draw an MC graph breaking even. So if we draw a graph, and then we do MC, we first plot our quantity, and then we bring this up to the demand curve, which gives us our price. And then to make it breaking even, we have to add the ATC so it hits this point. So it would just be something like this. Question 3 is asking why the MR curve falls below the demand curve. So the demand and the MR curve both slope downward, and to sell one more unit, the firm must lower the price. So that lower price applies to all units, not just the extra one. So the firm's MR from selling one more unit is less than the price it charges, so it will always be below the demand curve. Question 4 asks to draw an MC graph earning short-run profits. So you're going to draw your graph, add in the MR and demand as well as MC. Then you're going to plot your quantity, bring it up to the price or demand curve, and then you have your price. And so instead of the ATC hitting this point like it did for no economic profit, it's going to be below the demand curve. So it's going to be somewhere here. So if it's just right here, ATC, this is where your short-run profits will be. Question 5 is asking, why do MC firms only earn short-run profits? Monopolistic competition firms only earn short-run profits because new firms can easily enter the market. Entry increases competition and reduces each firm's demand and pushes profits down to zero in the long run, which is why you only get profit in the short run. The last question is asking to draw an MC graph earning short-run losses. So like all the others, we're just going to draw our graph and MC, plot the quantity up to the demand curve, and there's a price. So instead of the ATC being on this point or below the demand curve, it's going to be above the demand curve in this area right here. So ATC will just be right here, and then you have to move this up, and this is your losses box.